Hey there, fellow seekers of financial wisdom. Mason here, your guide on the path to wealth and well-being. Today, let's dive deep into the world of investments. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investments, it's all about the numbers, right? Well, my friends, it's time to broaden our perspective. When it comes to evaluating investments, it's crucial to consider more than just the potential returns. Let's start with the first aspect, risk. Every investment carries a certain level of risk, and it's essential to assess your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the market, or do you prefer a more stable approach? Understanding your risk appetite will help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Next up, we have liquidity. How easily can you convert your investment into cash? Some investments, like stocks, can be sold quickly, while others, like real estate, may take time. Evaluating liquidity is crucial, especially if you anticipate needing funds in the near future. Remember, flexibility is key to maintaining financial harmony. Now, let's talk about diversification. It's like having a well-balanced diet for your portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographical regions, you reduce the risk of being heavily impacted by a single event. Diversification is the secret sauce that adds stability and resilience to your financial journey. Another aspect to consider is the investment's alignment with your values. Are you passionate about sustainability? Then investing in companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance factors might be your cup of tea. Remember, your investments can be a powerful tool to create positive change in the world while growing your wealth. And finally, my friends, let's not forget about fees. Yes, those sneaky little charges that can eat away at your returns. Take the time to understand the fees associated with your investments. Are they reasonable compared to the potential gains? Being mindful of fees will ensure that your hard-earned money is working for you, not for someone else. So, my fellow seekers, as we conclude this contemplative journey into the world of investments, I encourage you to approach your financial decisions with a holistic mindset. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, but also about aligning your investments with your values, managing risk, and maintaining liquidity. By evaluating these aspects, you'll be well on your way to creating a prosperous and fulfilling financial future. If you found this discussion insightful, my friends, I kindly ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's continue exploring the space where finance meets personal harmony. Until next time, stay wealthy and well.